What kind of job sends you deep underwater to fix massive ships from below? This isn't a movie. It's daily life for commercial divers at Hydrex. They operate beneath hulls the size of skyscrapers, where visibility is near zero, and one slip could mean disaster. With massive propellers inches away and cold steel closing in, every movement has to be precise. They repair cracks, install seals, replace blades, all while submerged, in silence, with only their gear keeping them alive. There's no room for hesitation. They train for years to master underwater welding, hydraulic tools, and emergency protocols. And it's not just the risk, it's the pressure, literally. Some tasks are performed in pressurized environments that would crush untrained lungs. Imagine floating upside down beneath a 400-ton vessel, holding your breath, holding your nerve. These divers often work in freezing water, guided only by torchlight and the instructions in their earpiece. And when a vessel's downtime can cost millions per day, every second they spend underwater matters. They move heavy machinery, align giant components, and operate in places where visibility drops to zero. They use sonar, custom-fitted rigs, and even remote-operated tools to get it right the first time. From Panama to Rotterdam, they follow ships across the world to keep global trade moving. Even in emergency hull breaches, these divers are the first line of defense, patching from below while the ship stays afloat. They wear custom dive suits built for high-pressure endurance and helmets that feed them both oxygen and instructions. Most repairs are timed to the minute, because delays above mean chaos in global supply chains. Would you ditch your current job for this one?